Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so I want to find an equilibrium price and quantity given a supply and a demand function. I want to find it graphically. So I'm going to graph this first guy in blue. I've got, let's say, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to extend that a little bit. All right, so I've got a y-intercept of 4, and then I've got a point at 1, 6, and one at -2, 6. So I have my vertex at like a -0.5. So this guy's going to kind of look like that. And then if I want to graph my demand function, that vertex is just going to be at 7, 0. So I'm going to be right here. And if I pull up points, I know I'll be at 8, 1. And I'll be at 7, 1. So that one's going to open up like that. And then at some point, let me make that blue one a little longer, I'm going to have an intersection, right? And that intersection, that point right there, I can see that graphically is going to be my equilibrium point. And from my graph, I'm using Desmos, but you could use your graphing calculator, whatever you want. That is going to be the point 316. So my equilibrium point is going to be at 316. So at a price of $3, I guess, dollars, it doesn't really tell me. Yeah, it says $8 later. So at a price of $3, both supply and demand are 16 units. Okay, well, how about a price of $8? Let's say, so if the price is $8, so that's going to be to the right of that equilibrium point. Let's say my supply and my demand. So at $8, my supply will be 76 units. At $8, my demand will only be 1 unit, so there will be a surplus. It's priced too high at $8. The supply is going to be much greater than the demand at that price point, and that makes sense because that happy place or that equilibrium was $3. So $8 is way too high.